Hello everybody again. So I just finished filming a video, but I still have some free time left and I still have a lot of kitchen up to do, so I thought I would come here and film another video. I did make a mistake here. This was actually 8th of May, but that's okay. It's all good. Sometimes when you have to catch up, it can be a little bit more difficult to remember the dates. So I had this already painted with black gesso, and then I just attached a piece of scrapbooking paper. So I have some ephemera, some things from Starbucks, a post-it note that I wrote for myself, and then a couple of things from work, a couple of photos. So we're just going to start working with that. Even though I am sort of behind right now, and again, behind is a very arbitrary concept, but I am a little bit behind documenting this project or putting things in my junk journal, but again, that's totally fine. I'm really enjoying doing this, and I'm enjoying filming the videos, and it's keeping me a little bit more accountable when I know I would like to put something on my channel. Maybe I also, over the weekend, I binge watched, or actually rewatched, because I stay pretty current on a bit of Birdsong channel. I really like the content Lynn makes, and so, but anyway, over the weekend I was binge watching some of her videos, or rewatching mostly, and she mentioned something about coming to her workshop where she creates her spreads every day to put the daily things in. And I really like that idea, and that's how I originally started this journal, is I was putting things in it on a daily basis, and I would like to continue with that. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. You know, it really is fun to be putting things in your journal on a daily basis, and I would like to get there where I just come home and grab everything from my purse, my bag, or anything that came in the mail, things like that, and then just document things right there. And again, as we know, journaling, any kind of journaling, whether you're writing or art journaling or junk journaling, is such a good practice. Every day it's relaxing and de-stressing and all of that, so we all know the benefits of daily journaling, and it develops our habits of gratitude, and it's always amazing to see how much we really have. That may be sort of hard to think about that on a daily basis, but once you start putting things in a journal, you are paying more attention to these things. So I remember I had to get up really early this day, so I treated myself to some Starbucks, which does happen weekly. Well, there are some periods when I go just making coffee at home, and then I take a break from that and buy my coffee. But so I have a post-it note just that I wrote to myself as a reminder to come to work earlier that day. And then these are just some little things that were given to us at work for Teacher Appreciation Week, and so I wanted to save them, of course. And this one came from a pen, and let me show you this pen. This supposedly is a handmade pen, which I can't even imagine. How is that possible to make something like this by hand? But it's a beautiful pen, and they gave one to every teacher. And someone made all these pens, and they were all different designs. It's pretty amazing. Definitely grateful for that. But yeah, so it's it's I'm still working in this journal. Like I said, I want to try and keep up with it through May 31st, and then after that maybe move into a handmade journal, which I will still need to make. So I haven't done that yet. Not sure what kind of paper we'll use. Not sure if I'm going to still stick with Everything Journal, because I think in one of my previous videos I mentioned that I was thinking about switching to just maybe doing more of a like junky junk, like food labels and recyclables and stuff like that, doing it in one journal, and then doing more of a sort of like ephemera-ish stuff in a separate journal together with photos and maybe some writing about my day. But once I said that and started thinking about it, now I'm not sure anymore. So I know I still have time to decide. But gosh, it would be so nice to catch up and just start new on June 1st and try to do it on a daily basis. Do any of you journal on a daily basis? And are you able to keep up with it? And how are you doing it? Any tips or advice that you can give us? I mean, we do pick up so many different things on YouTube, or just from each other. I mean, from our journaling community. Someone mentioned before that they peel off the layers off of the coffee cup holders, sleeves, and definitely, especially now that my journal gotten so bulky, it's a nice thing to do. It was a good tip to pick up somewhere a long time ago. But yeah, I'm just a little bit worried about this journal pages coming off the rings, and if that happens, it's unfortunately here there are no holes per se because pages are removable, so it won't be possible to put it like on the rings, let's say, or something like that. I was thinking that maybe there are some places out there that can bind it for me somehow, or just put a like Kinko's or one of those copy shops, service places. Maybe they could just add larger spiral to this. I don't know. I bet there are some possibilities that I'm not thinking of right now, but and then I think this is coming together really quickly. So this was 9th of May. I do have the date here, but I think I'm going to go ahead and add just one more date. Just right here, just in case. So it's more noticeable. There's also a date on these Starbucks tags, but I'm not I'm not sure how long they will last. Hopefully for some time. I had to turn my camera off for a second. I started getting a coughing fit. I think it's just because of talking and my throat getting dry. I'm not sure if I said this specifically somewhere, but I am a teacher, and so I do talk a lot during the day, so sometimes the voice does get a little dry on my throat. So I just taped, and I sometimes do that instead of letting the ropes loose. I like to tape them. I don't know, just personal preference. And there was a thicker knot, but I untied it and just have it going through once just to make it a little bit flatter. I do have a little bit of an empty space here, but I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I might add a little note here. I'm going to think about it for a little bit, but otherwise here's my spread, as always, thank you so much for watching my video, and hope you continue having a good week, and I will be back with more videos. Bye!